Zaya, what are the first steps to building an airplane? Zaya, I had to go back and do a little research on that, and on this airplane, the tail assembly is the first part of building an airplane. All these come in pieces, the wings and the canopy and everything you have to put together, but the tail assembly here, we call it the empennage. This is the first part to building an airplane. Crystalline, how many passengers and how big is my airplane? Well, as you can see, there's 2 seats and only 2 passengers for this airplane. So all airplanes are different. Mine happens to be a 2-seater. Back to Nico. What was the most interesting thing I've ever seen while flying? You know, I had to think about that a lot. But I think the most fascinating thing I see and still see while flying is weather. I've seen huge thunderstorms from flying over them and from the side of them. They look like walls of rain in the lightning, and it is just amazing to see from a safe distance while I'm in the air. And last but not least, Braden, have you ever seen wildlife like flying? Have you ever seen wildlife while flying? Absolutely. In Texas here, they have a lot of deer, but the thing I was most surprised was seeing wild pigs. They call them boar. So there's a lot of wild boar in Texas, and when I'm flying over some of the areas, I can look down and see little herds of wild boar flying. So that was probably the most interesting thing I've ever seen. Class, I want to thank you for taking interest in aviation. It's endless, and there's so much to learn about flying. So I hope your paper airplane exercise in your summer school and watching 771 Mike Kilo YouTube channel someday that you can take private pilot's license and fly your own airplane. Until then, thanks for the interest, and we'll take care and we'll see you soon.